Welcome to CSAT Guru. We are discussing number system. In that series, this is a third class. In this class, we'll discuss the unit digits and their cyclicity. The concept related to finding the unit digits. One of the important concepts, even in 2024, 2023, we got one question in each year. Let us discuss the concept of finding unit digit. So for that, first of all, you need to understand few important points related to unit digits. Let us see. For example, 24 plus 35 plus 79. Randomly, I took three numbers. If I add these numbers, I will get certain answer. But my question is not about the entire answer. My question is about only the unit digit. Is that unit digit depends on the entire number? Means in the answer, or only on the unit places of the given numbers. So once you see, let me do that. 24 plus 35 plus 79. The answer is here, okay, 138. 138. If you see, I got the unit digit as 8. This 8 not dependent on these values. Whether here 2 is there or 3 is there or 7 is there or whatever the other number is there. Doesn't matter. This unit place depends on only the unit place of the given numbers. You're getting the point. So unit place depends on the unit place of the given numbers. That's the first concept you need to understand. Okay. So that's the first thing. Whether it is multiplication or addition, the unit place depends on the unit place only. Let me give you multiplication. For example, 12 into 13 into, let us say, 24. So now my question not about the value, means answer. It's not about the answer. Multiplication you know very well. Okay, but my question is only about the unit place. So for that, I need not to worry about whatever the numbers are there in the 10th place or 100th place or 1000th place. It is about only unit place. If the question is about only unit place, you need not to worry about the entire number. Only check the unit place of the each number. So here 2 is there. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. Once again, I got 24, but I don't want this 2 also. I want only the unit place. Then my answer is 4. So 4 is the unit place of this product. Are you getting my point? So let me give an example. One more example. Whichever the number, how much big it is. Let us say 2348 into 2789 into 13. Okay. Once again, the question is not about the product. The question is about what is the unit place of the result. So for that, what is the unit place here? 8. Here 9 is there. 8 into 9, 72. In that 72 also, I need not to bother about that 7. I want only that 2, which is the unit place of this result. So 8 into 9, 72. So unit place of that result also 2. So that 2 into 3, 6. I hope you got the point. So unit place is dependent on only unit place of the given numbers, whether it is addition or multiplication. This is the basic funda. Okay. Based on this concept, we are going to discuss different model questions. Okay. So now you understood that unit place is dependent on unit place only. So now the question may be, it's like 132 whole power of 23. What is the unit place of the result? So actual meaning is, that means the value of this number is 132 into 132 into 132 23 times. So that is a very big calculation, quick product. If you multiply 132 23 times, you may get some answer, very big answer in fact. But the question is not about the entire answer. The question is about only unit place. Okay, that unit place. As you know that unit place depends on unit place only. That means I need not to bother about this 13 also. My question is about only 2. So 132 power of 23 unit place is same as 2 power of 23 also. That's the point you need to understand. So 132 power of 23 answer you will get. For that you will get one unit place. That unit place is same. That means unit digit is same as 2 power of 23's unit place also. Both are same. Why? Here also 2 is there. Here also 2 is there. That's the first point. Now the second point. Now I want to find out 2 power of 23 unit place. That is also not easy, right? So 2 power of 23 is not a small number. 2 power of 23 unit place I want. So that also you need to multiply 23 times. That is also not small number. So for that, now we have to discuss one important concept of cyclicity. Cyclicity of the unit places. Okay, there is a cyclicity that we need to observe. Based on that pattern, we can easily identify what can be the answer. Okay, for that, let me show with this two example only. With the two. So let me multiply 2. 2 ones, 2 only. Means one time if I multiply, that is 2 only. If I multiply 2 two times, that is 2 into 2, 4. 2 three times, that is 2 power of 3, 8. See, I am writing only unit place. 2 power of 4, which is 6. Of course, answer is 16, but I am not worried about that one. My question is about only unit place. So 2 power of 4, unit place is 6. What about 2 power of 5? 2 power of 5, unit place, that means 32 is the answer. So unit place is 2. Are you able to follow my point? I'm writing only the unit place. So 2 power of 6, which is 64. Which is 64. But once again, my question is about only unit place. Unit place is 4 only. 2 power of 7, 128. The unit place is 8. 2 power of 8, okay, 216. Okay, sorry, 256. Unit place is 6. Do you observe one pattern? If you observe the pattern, 2 power of 1, the unit place is 2. 2 power of 2, unit place is 4. 2 power of 3, it is 8. 2 power of 4, 6. 2 power of 5, again 2. Did you observe the pattern? Again 4, again 8, again 6. That means in case of 2 powers, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3, 2 power of 4, 2 power of 5 and all, the unit place is following a pattern. That pattern is cyclicity of 4. That means every fourth term means once 4 times is completed, the fifth is once again repeated. So this is the cyclicity of the power of 2 in case of unit place. So now I can say, I can write now the cyclicity of unit place of 2. Okay, for 2, I'm writing the discussion is all about unit place only. Okay, so the cyclicity of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 power of 5, again 2. 2 power of 6, 4. 2 power of 7, 6. 2 power of 8, 8. 2 power of 9, once again 2. 2 power of 10, 4. Unit place. 2 power of 11, 6. 2 power of 12, 8. And it goes on. So here my question is about 2 power of 23. I want to find out the unit place of this number. So here already I understood that every 4 cycle, the means every 4 terms it will be repetition. Is it right? So here in 23 means 23 times I have to write, right? 2 into 2 into 2, 23 times. That means every 4 times the same thing will be repeated. That means how many 4 sets are there? Means having 4, 4, 4. How many 4 sets are there in 23? That means 1 4 is completed. Then after 1 4, that means 8 are completed. 1 4, 16, 12 is completed. 1, 4, 16 is completed. Another 4, 20 is completed. Means 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 20 completed. Later, I left with the 2 into 2 into 2. 21, first is 2, 22nd, 23rd. Since the question is about 2 power of 23. So, up to here, the cycle is completed. So, now the new cycle started. In case of first 2, the answer is 2. Second 2 means if it is one more 2 is there, answer is 4. One more 2 is there, answer is 6. That means 2 power of 23, the unit place is 6. Unit place is 6. You got the point. Okay? Unit place is 6. But it is not easy to write since it is 23. Of course, 23 is a small number comparatively. You can write 23 times 4, 4, 4, 4. How many cycles are there? But if the number is very big, that time it is not easy to write. So for that, what we need to do, the same thing to find out, let us say 2 power of 23 only. So find out the answer even more easily. 23 divided by 4. 23 divided by 4 means since the cycle of 4, right? So that's the reason I'm dividing with 4. So how many 4 cycle will be completed? So 5 cycles are completed. My worry is not about how many cycles are completed. How many are remaining are there? So that is nothing but remainder, right? So when 23 is divided by 4, what is the remainder? Okay, what is the remainder? The remainder is 3. So my answer is third position of this cycle. Third position of this cycle means first, second, third. That is my answer. If the remainder is 2, for example, then my answer is 4. If the remainder is 1, then answer is 2. If my remainder is 0, actually 0 means it's a fourth multiple, 4 multiple. So answer is 8. Okay, if remainder is 1, answer is 2. If remainder is 2, then answer is 4. Remainder is 3, answer is 6. Remainder is 0 means it's the last of the cycle. 2 power 4, in fact. Say, you can't write 2 for 4, right? Means 4 cannot be the remainder when it's divided by 4. It is nothing but 0. So that's the reason. If you get the 0 as the remainder, that means 8. 2 power 4, 2 power. Sorry, I did a small mistake here. Yes, it's right. Correct, correct. 6, 8, correct. Okay. So now I hope you got it. So it is a cyclicity of 2. I'll do one more question. For example, 2472 whole power of 1241. 1241. My question is about what is the unit place of the answer. So already you understood that it is about the unit place. So that is 2. So 2 power of 1241 unit place. So 2 power of 1241 means I have to divide this 1241 with 4. Okay, 1241 should be divided by 4. Okay, 1241 divided. And once again, my question is not about quotient. My question is about only the remainder. To get the remainder, I need not to worry about the entire number also. If you know that divisibility rule of 4, divisibility rule of 4 is nothing but last 2 digits. You have to check the last 2 digits. So 41, when 41 is divided by 4, what is the remainder? That is nothing but 1. 41 divided by 4, the remainder is 1. That means my answer is first of this cycle, that is 2. Okay, I will do one more question. First, you need to understand the cyclicity of the unit places in case of bars. So we are discussing 2 related to the cycle is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, let me do one more question. 2 power of 433 unit place. So as I said, to get that, I need to divide 433 divided by 4. Divide that 433 with 4. Why divided by 4? Since the cycle of 4. Okay, 4 numbers are there in that cycle. So divided by 4. So remainder. Remainder means 33 divided by 4. The remainder is 4 8 is 32. The remainder is 1. So here also answer 2. Okay, this is the cyclicity of 2. In similar way, we need to understand the cyclicity of 3, 7, 8, 5, 4, all digits. Okay, so let me write down one by one. First of all, let me write down 0. 0 cycle. 0 is always 0. If the unit place is 0, if you raise any number of powers, the unit place always 0 only. For 1 also the same, 1 only, always 1 only. For 5 also, always 5. 5, you raise any power, the unit place is always 5 only. Okay, 5 power of 1, 5, 5 power of 2, 25, 5 power of 3, 125. You observe, always the unit place is 5 only. In similar way, 6 also, always 6 only. In case of 6, 6 power of 1, 6, 6 power of 2, 36. The unit place is 6, 6 power of 3, 1, 1 and 2, 1, 6, again 6 only. So these 4 digits, for 0, it is always 0, 1, it is always 1, 5, it is always 5, 6, it is always 6. So these are very simple to say. Now we do focus on other numbers. So that numbers for 2, the cyclicity is 2, 4, 6, 8. Similar way, 3 cyclicity. Can you guess? 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. That is 7. 3 7s are 21. That is 1. Then after once again 3 9 7 1. 3 9 7 1. Here also the cyclicity of 4 and the digits are 3 9 7 1. The pattern is same. Okay. If the power is given, I'll do different model questions for 3 also. Okay, same pattern. Since the cyclicity of 4 is there, so you have to divide it 4 and get the remainder and you have to check in the cycle. Okay. For 7, cyclicity 7, 9, 3, 1. 7, 9, 3, 1. 7, 7 7 is 49, 9, 7 9 is 63, 3, 7 3 is 21. That is 1. Again, it is repeated. In case of 8, in case of 8, 8, it is 8, 8 8 is 64, 8 4 is 32, 8 2 is 16, and 8 6 is 48. The cycle will be repeated. 8426, 8426. Okay. So these numbers you need to remember. For 2, it is 2468. For 3, it is 3971. Even if not exact, remember doesn't mean that you have to get by heart these numbers. It is very simple numbers. Once, if it is 2, in mind calculation you can do it. 2. Next is 4. 4 2 times 8. 8 2 times 16. I need not bother about that 1. 6. Okay. For 3. 3. 9. 7. 27. 7. 3 7. Again 3 7 times 21. 1. So it is very simple to remember also. So 7 9 3 1. For 8, 8, 4, 2, 6, 5. So this is the cyclicity of 2, 3, 7, 8. And remaining two numbers are there, that is 4 and 9. 4 and 9. For 4, the cyclicity is even more simple, just 4 and 6. 4 and 6. If the power is odd number, unit place is always 4. If the power is even number, the unit place is always 6. If it is odd number, 4, even number, 6. It will be repeated. Odd, even, odd, even. Okay, similar to that, 9 also. If it is odd number, the power is odd number, that is 9. If it is the power is even number, 1, then it will be repeated. Remaining we discuss 0 is 0 always. 0 is 0. 1 is 1 always. 2, 2, 4, 8, 6. For 3, 3, 9, 7, 1. For 4, it is 4 and 6. 5, it is always 5. For 6, it is always 6. 7, 7, 9, 3, 1. For 8, 8, 4, 2, 6. 8, 4, 2, 6. Okay. For 9, 9 and 1. Okay. These are the cyclicity of the unit places of the given numbers. Now I'll do one question. 3, 2, 4 whole power of 123 plus 4, 2, 8 whole power of 326. Okay. So what is the unit place of the, what is that? In the result. Okay. So for that, I need to find out unit place of the first one, unit place of the second one. Already you know that unit place depends on the unit place only. So here unit place and here unit place. If I add it, I'll get the answer. So 4. For 4, it is odd number. 123 is the odd number. So this is 4 only. Unit place is 4. Therefore, it is only two possibilities 4 and 6. It's an odd number, it's 4. If it is even number, it is 6. So it's the odd number, it is 4 plus. So 428. So it is 8. So 8 cyclicity. 4 numbers are there in a cycle of 8. So I have to divide this 326 with 4. What is the remainder? 4. Already you know that last two digits is enough. 26 divided by 4. The remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. That means in the cycle of 8, already you know that the cycle of 8. What is the 8 cycle? 8, 4, 2, 6. I got 2. That means second one. Or else you can simply write 8 square. What is the 8 square uh, unit place? 8 square is 64. So 4. Here also 4. 4 plus 4, 8 is my answer. So this is the concept of unit digits, finding the unit digits of the given number, one of the most important topic in recent years of CSAT exam. We got 2024 also, 1-2 questions based on this concept. Even in 2023 also, we got 1 or 2 questions. I guess 1 question. In 2024, 2 questions are there. And we can expect in 2025 also, whether it is question is directly based on the unit place or it may be useful in the other discussion, the calculation also. So this concept is very important. So try to understand this entire concept. Okay, unit digits and their cyclicity. This is the concept of unit digits and the cyclicity. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the CSAT Guru channel. Thank you.